Friday evening again. It's basket for tomorrow for the short one. It's a comeback race to Sleaford, 75 miles just shy. We've also we sent 7 to Dunbar this morning for the NRCC. So yeah, we've got 2 races on tomorrow. Happy days, bosh. I just want to apologise actually for not putting that video up last week of the race and that. We had all sorts of problems with the phone. Ran out of storage, so I had to go and buy an SD card. Transferred all the whole gallery onto the SD card. Decided to wipe the whole gallery, but it wiped the SD card as well, where I should have took it out. So I've been told I am useless at technology. Fucking dinosaur. So yeah, all the memories. I've got about 600 photos, 100 bloody videos. Unbelievable, I was sick. So yeah, we deleted everything. But all good now. At least we've got plenty of storage on the phone. Keen to the hens are handling them so well. Really are keen as well. Like I say, we sent to Dunbar this morning. We sent Hoxie Roxy, Sister 73, the Super Snail, 2 of her daughters. Our first young and back from Dunbar Youngbird National last year, off me Julie. And last but not least, the tranny. It's good to see a few faces down there. Always. Well, I really hope we have a good race tomorrow. We really do. Come on, big girl. There's a big girl. Come on. Good girl. There's the count. We were going to send it to Dunbar, but sort of glad the old man's on my shoulder, really. He advised us not to. Send sort of like the slower ones, the B team, what are actually bred for the job, distance. Yeah. Really good, isn't it? Yeah, go. Yeah. Shortest 11th club, she did last week, 20th open, 1300 pigeons. She done well. The 81 then. Just came. Yeah. Look at these 2 scrapping. Yeah, go. She was our first one back last week. 3rd club, 5th open, over 1300 pigeons. And we're well happy with that on that wind, over the moon. She was there actually to win the club race the week before as well. She would have been 5th club if it weren't for the 4-bird rule. And she got beat by 4 off mates, so yeah, she was there to win. We'll turn in a little while. Hen and big fries, big fries. Yeah, mum. Oh, Ruby Rose, 00808. H Youngbird. Brilliant for us this season. We had a bit of a scare with her. When was it? I think it was Tuesday. Only went to Watton, took her for a quick spin training. Got them. Every single hen was here bar her. About 40 minutes later, she came in. She thought she fucking won the race. Dived so hard. So Oh, if only they could talk, eh? Are you going to win again this week, eh, girl? Come on. Daughter Celeste. She's now had 3 top 10 open positions at the 4 races. Different wins as well. Yeah. I fancy her tomorrow. The pills will be on her. Yeah, daughter Celeste. Genseric hen. They're shining. It's probably the best I've had them. Weight wise as well for this. It's going to be quite quick, I think. Looking like a dead north from Sleaford. So again, that will favour the boys out to the west. But it is what it is. Got Dunbar one as well. I hope we get a lib tomorrow. The Genseric hen. She's actually a granddaughter of Vale Genseric, and only 8 babies have ever been raised direct from Vale Genseric, and 7 atop the fed. She's another one bred by Mickey Bundy. He's got sons and daughters, I think, as well. Daughters as well to their Vale Genseric. Fucking lovely pigeon. Beauty. I think she could perform tomorrow again. She likes the short fastens. She's a powerful pigeon. Big girl. The 4 young'uns we've got off her with this pairing. Oh my god, they are like proper wedges. He's a stocky pigeon as well. He's a son from her. Blue eyed hen. Anyway, it's going to wrap this up. I'll bring you back tomorrow for the race. Like I say, I do apologise, but all good intentions. We were going to post it, like I said, before my phone got deleted. Sick. I think we'll have the pills on her again. Good girl. She won us pills last week. I think about 35 quid. So we won over 100 quid in the last 3 races on the bowls. Aye. I think she could be a boat. She likes speed, she likes it hard. She's one of them pigeons. Took over from her mother. Ruby Rose. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up. I'll bring you back tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. That's Ruby Rose, that. I could just wound her up, man. Big time. Look at that. Afternoon all. It is race day number 5. Got 2 races today. National Day, come on. Buzzing. The Dunbar Pigeons with the NRCC are up at 11:45. They got let up into a light northeast, getting stronger en route. And we fly roughly 280, 288 I think. I'll have to look at my result from last year, but yeah, I think it's just shy of 290. We sent 7. We sent Poxy Roxy, Sister 73, the Super Snail, both her daughters. Our first young bird back from Dunbar in that dreadful race. So I can't believe they let him up last year, the Young Bird National. Yeah, we got her the next morning. She's off pigeon we used to call me Julie. We lost her. Well, gutted let losing her. And the tranny. How can I forget that? Bless her. She's keen as mustard, she is though. But she's not been there. The rest of them have been there, but she ain't. So we'll start to wait and see. But the short one with the Norfolk and Suffolk Championship Club, Sleaford again, just shy of 75 mile. We ain't heard no news yet. It's update. That was a fucking ideal wind this morning for us. Now it's sort of like picking up more easterly. Suit the fab boys out of the west again. Okay, we will get a wind what suit us. But yeah, I think that'll be quick as well. But I'm not too confident. I just hope that Dunbar Pigeons put it in for us. We put the 10ers on Poxy Roxy and the 5ers on Sister 73. Yeah, so oh, that's what I mentioned, Shane Stockdale. Come on. The geezer's a legend for what he's doing at Mally's Hope charity. What he's doing for them poorly kids is just words can't describe, to be honest with you. I think he's raised over 25 grand for them, you know, and given them sort of like dreams of a lifetime. So yeah, well done, Shane. Keep it up, mate. And I do know he's gonna be setting up another auction soon, you know, to raise money for the charity to help them poorly kids. So you might see me dropping in your DMs, you know, scrounging a baby. You know, it's all good for a good cause. We're gonna put 2 out of our best into it. Yeah, it's just to try and raise some, you know, a nice lump for these kids. So yeah, got some nice clobber off him as well. Really good quality. Got a nice jacket. Yeah, get on his Facebook, Shane Stockdale, Mally's Hope. Plus he does all these Torreson products as well. They look after you. Good man, Shane. Yeah, so well done, Jimmy Davis last week. Top in the open. Good pigeon that, got well out in front. I think it was 8 minutes clear in the club. You do like an east wind, don't you, Jim? Another one today for you, but yeah, the old man's coming round in a little while. Watch the national race. They went up at 11:45, so I'm thinking 5 or 6 hours to do any good in the NRCC. You're going to need them by 55 mile an hour, I think, today. All depends, you know, sort of the first 100 mile. If they got out of Scotland, fucking fine. Yeah, this wind is shifting. It could be quick. Could be quick. It could be 60 mile an hour, 62, 63. Poxy east wind. Like I said last week, you've got to win this club on an east wind to do any good, sort of in the open. But that comes with all the boys out to the west in the club. You know, like I said, James Bowers is the closest one west of us. He's sort of 4 mile. And then you've got boys out of Bridgham, East Harlan, Hepworth. It's crazy. The only 2 boys what are sort of more west than us is Steve Cashton and Glenn. And they're sort of safe west of us. Safe east, sorry. But yeah, I'll bring you back in a little while. Still haven't heard nothing from Sleaford. There's another update at 12:30, but I don't understand what they're waiting for, to be honest with you.
Right wind.
Yeah, you got that right, girl. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, let's all bow down. Yeah, anyway, I'll bring you back in a little while. Buzzed up, National Day. Come on! Poxy Roxy, she's keen. She's really keen. I thought she was going to do the damage last week. You know, she's been so keen. We've done a few things different with her as well the last couple of weeks to prep her for this race. Same as the other 6. But yeah, in the Sleaford race. We've pulled up Daughter Celeste, Ruby Rouge, fuck, you forgot now. My brain's on Dunbar. No, mine's gone blank. Anyway, yeah, it's them two that we want. Our big girl, you know, we pulled her up as well, all the way through. We won over £100 the last 3 races and pulled. Lovely job. I'll bring you back in a little while, everyone, when we know about Sleaford, because that's going to be quick as well. You're going to probably want them at 65 mile an hour again, but I'm not too confident, not where we're fucking located. And whoever that offends, you know, me speaking about the wins and that, I ain't sorry, because that's facts, and I can back it up with facts. It's true, win rules, especially when you're in a 42-mile radius club. You know, that's one thing I do, I speak facts. You know, I think it's a good trait in a man, be genuine, rather than all this fucking bullshit behind people's backs. Yeah, agree. And then behind your back, it's all like this. So yeah, let you get on with it. Offended. Frilly knickers offended. Anyway, bring you back in a little while, people. Oh, I also want to say well done to Pete Rogers as well. He's an individual member. He was 2nd open, so yeah, well done. I think we were 5th, 7th and 20th open. So yeah, well happy with that, where we're located. Really happy. We're 3rd, 5th and 11th club. And 5th, 7th open, over 1,300 pigeons. So yeah, we've had multiple hens in the top 10 open, 3 out of the 4 races. On different wins as well, with this massive radius. So, you know, they're doing us proud. Really are doing us proud. Let's hope they do it again today. The NRC's the one though. Like I said to the old man, I wish I could have sent the whole, you know, the full strong hen team. But when you're building a team for this north, you've got to be careful. It's as simple as that. I ain't just chucking them away. But yeah, like I said to the old man, we definitely sent the B team to the NRCC, but it's horses for courses, isn't it? They're slower pigeons, they're bred for the job. Well, there was a couple there, you know, what will sprint, done well for sprinting, like Poxy Roxy, sister 73. The 2 daughters off of the Super Snail, so we put like a bit of a faster cross into them. You know, with a 73 cock, son of our best Safe Road cock, the late bred, pre-Olympic cock, multiple winner. So yeah, we'll start wait and see. But proper buzzed up today, come on. Right, the Sleaford birds are up. They went up at 1:30. It's now 2:10. So they're getting closer. I'm thinking maybe 60, 63, 65 mile an hour to do any good in the open. But like I say every week, you know, it's got a massive radius. They get pulled about Suffolk and Rotten, the whole of Norfolk and Suffolk. Yeah, so I'll bring you back when it's sort of like been an hour, then we'll leave it rolling. Because an hour will be 75 mile an hour, just shy of. So yeah, I'll bring you back in a bit. Back again, that's now 1 hour, 1:01, so I'm going to leave it recording now. We want them coming over that bungalow just there to stay online. Just right there. So hopefully today they'll stay online. But we ain't had a pigeon come online yet. Our first little lot all season. So yeah, wind's died down a bit as well. Come on. Yeah. Come on, daughter Celeste. Ruby Rouge, big girl. They've got to be here within the next 15 minutes, so really.
Yeah.
1 hour 15 will be bang on 60 mile an hour now on.
Yeah.
Well, nice to get one now. Yeah, well, 1 hour 15 will be 60 mile an hour. We need them really to really get them open in the next 10 minutes, I think. But, like I say, with this radius, it's massive, isn't it? You don't know where they're going to come in.
No.
Be nice to have a couple together this week,
Yeah, I've got one, darling. I've just lost my backer for a minute.
Yeah, I moved it off there to spike it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Young'uns that.
Yeah.
Not fired up, isn't he? They're itching to get out. I had the fats last night, you see.
Yeah.
And Thursday.
Not today.
No.
Boys and girls.
No. Right. One hour 5. Come on. I so hope they just come online. As they come out of there, you just know there's going to be other pigeons with them.
Yeah.
I know.
Put that thing.
Fucking ugly looking thing, wasn't it?
Yeah. Said to you as a tip, didn't it? A roll.
Yeah. I come out the loft, it was just staring at me, but I couldn't see the face.
I thought you said it come out of the loft.
No, I come out the loft and
No, get him on
it was there. It was staring at me. I was like, why?
When you went back in there, it did have a couple of laps around it.
Yeah. The voice out.
Well, someone round here's got some.
That's that Polish geezer over the road there.
Is it?
Yeah, he's moved into that Harry Bailey's old house. He used to be a pigeon man.
That's it, yeah. Probably got a shed in there, left a shed in there or something.
I think there might be, yeah, and like, I think the Harry Bailey's birds went out somewhere maybe, and they tried breaking them, and they went back.
Yeah.
So there is a few pigeons over there, sort of like.
That weren't no register.
No, definitely not.
Oh, fucking hell, that's
Come on.
Thereabouts leaving there.
Oh, nice, isn't it? So they roll on when we get an established North Road team, you know, from Scotland. Like we did when we were channel racing.
Building, yes.
Oh, I know, we'll get there. You want to be sending 25 to 30 to these Dunbars and that, don't you, in Perth, really?
That is better, isn't it?
Yeah.
And takes the one, mate.
No, I know, but you've got a team of 20, 25 all in condition, that same one, you've got a better chance at you.
Yeah. No, I'm all right.
It's normally the mob senders that say that as well, isn't it? They only take one. I would say, well, send one then. Pick one out of your team of 60 and send it. They've got to be close, Dad.
How many in this one?
16.
There's birds in the sky, isn't it?
Yeah, but the later it goes, the more you know they're not going to come online.
Have faith. Have faith.
I'm not late yet.
You might be a bit optimistic with them.
Oh, you fucker. They want them coming out of there, do we?
No. They're coming out of there this time, aren't
No. Oh,
Yeah. I just see one do that a minute ago. Broke up.
Oh, right, yeah. Yeah, it's quite a little baby. Little socky.
come on, let's be having one. Come on. What's the time? What's that, 1 out of 10?
Yeah.
You know. I know, they've got to be here soon. But like I say, that window's died down, isn't it?
Yeah. Hell and all. Static.
Oh, you fucker.
Static.
Yeah. Just them gusts that you can feel, isn't it? Every now and again. Well, to be honest with you, I don't think they're going to come online now. They'd have been there, I reckon.
Too dark some days. We all thought this was going to be stronger, didn't we?
Yeah.
Oh, did you see that? I've not got some hornets then.
No, it's a big old bumblebee. Look.
Is it?
Come on.
Yeah, like I say, you don't want that there.
No.
Well, that can get through there that quick, doesn't it?
You know you'd be bottom of the list.
Yeah, like that.
I know, we see that.
Lovely, isn't it?
lost balance, yeah.
Some fucking bike go around that one day around mine.
Did you really?
Stood up on the by the fence there, you know. Fucking pigeon backed it like that. He's following it with his head, went straight over the fucking fence, didn't he? He had his legs sticking up in there. So don't you fucking move. Yeah, stay there while I dropped it.
I bet that was a funny sight.
Yeah, well, his little old legs going like this.
I think it's like Humpty Dumpty. Come on, come on. Oh, we ain't seen no pigeons go over, have we?
Nope.
Nothing.
Not on the right out there as well, too.
Uh-huh. You'd have thought you'd have seen a few with the Saxon Valley. They went up at 12, 15, I think.
Yeah, but were they the ones cutting through just now? Well, no, that wouldn't have been. That'd
Nah.
been too quick.
Oh, I know. It's... Oh.
Did we put cooks in the old front room, dear?
Yeah.
You put a lecture on the one, did it?
Yeah.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, of course it did, yeah. Yes, to sit there and bear magic soul all day.
They gotta be close, Dad. See, that's the thing with this sort of organisation.
Yeah. Well spread, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's not like the Norwich Fed, is it? They're all sort of like going one group into sort of like the same area, isn't you?
Yeah. They lump, didn't they?
Mm-hmm. I honestly thought they'd been there by now, you know.
Yeah, well, I did, but that's the race, isn't it? That's what you say, that you're going through that. You can see it that far, you can see it out there.
Uh-huh.
I didn't think it's going to be as quick as we thought. They're going to be high as well.
Well, I ain't too confident now. He should have been there by now.
That's what we do most Saturdays. Pray at the cross.
Yeah. Fuck's sake, come on. I don't know if they cleared or anything there.
No, that's the thing, isn't it?
That's why I think every liberation should be
Oh,
mandatory.
it's a wonder they ain't done it.
Yeah, it should be mandatory.
I think it probably is on there, probably, if you look.
Not the Norfolk and Suffolk won't be. They never record.
Oh, I don't know.
Nah, do fuck. Make some rollies here, please. What's the time?
10 to, you know. Yes, the 8 plans are nice and me.
Where are they?
They'll be here.
Wrong way.
No shit, Sherlock.
I'm gonna want to be here.
I've got one. Come on, young ladies.
Yeah. A little bit fucking worrying though, isn't it?
You see that wind stop, mate.
No, I know.
That fucking high it is now.
Yeah.
See how we beat from Dunbar, isn't it? I reckon.
Go and buy this. They should have been here. There's no excuse. And them hens were in serious condition last night.
That's what I'm saying.
And keen. This ain't good, this ain't.
Ain't right on that, eh?
You should have still been there.
I don't know. That. throat. Yeah, jabbies at you. Yeah.
Fuck's sake.
Yeah.
Look at that. Come on. Blue pied end.
Where'd that come from?
Fucking didn't see her, just see it above me.
Didn't come over there.
No, it didn't come offline anyway. Fucking shower shit.
Hey.
Nah, the fuck, all that hard work you put in.
Yeah, we don't get like that. You don't know what it's fucking done yet. That won't be far away. You can hold your rad down there and all. Telling the fucking quiet off now. I sat down there and I thought, shit, if this fucking bench goes, I had all my weight on my legs. But last Saturday, fair Saturday, it went clonk.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Girl.
It's not in yet. Come on.
Yeah, okay. Come on, girl. See good.
In, yeah?
Yeah.
No, Ruby Rose.
Is it? Check her red. She ain't got red stoved in.
Yeah.
Yeah, free. No, I said it's free. No, they're down. There's 4. 5. That first one ain't gonna be far away. Tell you. Let me tell you now. 5.
About 5. There's another one. No, it isn't. There's another one.
They're coming out of there. That's where them 5 come from there.
Yeah, look at them lot.
Yeah, there it comes. Look at this.
2 out of it.
Was there a batch of them?
Yeah. 8 of them
That
coming.
first one ain't far away. Let me tell you that for nothing, right?
Come from Dad. Look at that, look.
Yep. Good.
Thought it's less there.
That first one ain't far off. So,
I didn't know, is it?
yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, boy. He was a couple of minutes in front, I'd say. Good girl. 10 on.
Minutes 20.
That's what it should be, and then they're all piled in. That's what I'm saying. She got away somewhere. Goes, that livestock comes from that.
I
over
know
there.
it did, didn't it? Honestly, they're all over there, aren't they? All the lofts were racing against it.
Oh, true.
I'm going to have to just come up with a game plan because this isn't working.
Don't change it. My advice is don't change it. That's a nice little tip.
I'm going to wrap that up quickly. Well, I'm going to wrap that up now. Anyway, I hope you all had a good race. You know, a little bit disappointed because, you know, I was expecting to come online again today, but back to the drawing board, I think. We'll try a few things different. They need to be coming off that line. I think they sort of come out of there, fucking things. But they are. I'll bring you back, you know, when we're sort of like expecting the Dunbar national pigeons. But yeah, I'm not very confident today. Like I say, especially sort of like if they're coming out of there. All our lofts are over there, we're racing against in the club, bar 2. So yeah, on this afternoon, the big one. I'll bring you back in a little while. If you could like, subscribe, even comment, call me a wanker, whatever, that push the video up in the algorithms. Laters. There she is. CJ Angel. 99736. Winner yesterday. And now looking second open. Norfolk and Suffolk Championship Club. And she's looking fastest pigeon in the Norfolk as well. Come on. That's a second win. And it's done it on an east wind as well, with the majority of our lofts sitting over to the west. Good girl. Good girl. She didn't even come online either. She came out of the west. Good girl. Classy little pigeon. Little beauty. Good girl.
You've got roots here, Tina?
My mother was Welsh, so yes, I've got my family here in Wales.
But Sonal, you're not coming here kicking and screaming.
I love Wales.
I think we would have been 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th as well. Sort of piled in. That's the one what count though. Especially on an east wind. Come on.